Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect Exness to TradingView. So I already logged into my TradingView account, and when you go to the brokers page and scroll down, you will find out that there is no Exness, guys. Unfortunately, Exness is not here. So unfortunately, Exness isn't here, guys, and it's not supported by TradingView. But I have got some good news for you. There are some alternatives, and in this video, I will show you these alternatives, guys. So the best alternative way is using Exness terminal, guys, which is more faster, more advanced, has customizable trading capabilities, guys, and I think that it's more user friendly. And also the good thing about the Exness terminal is that charting is provided by TradingView, guys, so you can use Exness terminal as an alternative. And also there is another way. So for example, when you go to the trading panels, you can see that there is paper trading. So you can start using paper trading in TradingView, guys, which offers virtual funds and helps you to develop good trading skills and strategies, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.